That's the charcoal on fire, and then this one is the aluminum, the old aluminum basin. The fish is just like that. Good morning, guys. So today is Monday, and it's my day off. So and Sunday and Monday is my day off. So what I'm gonna do today is uh, I'm not gonna do the laundry because it's raining outside, and then there is a sunshine, but it's quite not good. Maybe later on it's going to be rain, so I'm gonna take my laundry by next week. So now for this video, we will going to have our I'm gonna show you again the dried fish. So without sand, we're gonna do the pugon. So the charcoal. So I'm gonna show you guys how does it look like, and then what is pugon, or like if you're it's just like you're doing a hockey smoke, just like a smoke. So it's gonna be hard to explain, so I'm gonna show it you guys so later on. Okay, so let's go. Before that, I'm gonna show you our breakfast. Okay, let's eat, guys. I hope you're gonna enjoy this video, and then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos upcoming up next. So we have always rice in our food for our meal every day, 3 times a day. So always the rice is always the main food here in the Philippines. Hey, tayo na chinilas nga rin. Okay, the sunshine is rising up now. So yun, guys. Oo. Oh, nangarigo sila. So we use the hand pump, then the basin. So instead of doing the taking a bath in the toilet, bathroom, so they do it here outside. So for an unlimited water bathing. All right, so we're gonna come up now to the pugon. So ito siya, guys. So they cover up with the sack. So the sack, just like that. So this is the whole sack, and then they just split into half, so it's gonna be look like a hole. So they cover up here, and here. So there is also a sack on the top. I feel that there is heat over here. So guys, parang nagbalay-balay na siya. Balay-balay pa more. So sa maliliit pa lang kami, di ba? English Tagalog. So sa maliliit pa lang kami, gumagawa kami ng ganito at natutulog kami sa loob. So this time, we're gonna make a smoked dried fish. So what we're gonna use to make the fish dried inside of that what do you call that? I don't know what you call this, but we call this a pugon. So guys, the reason why they did that, they cover up with this sack from wall or up to the top. It's because so the heat it will not comes outside, so the heat is just only in the inside, so it's gonna be good to dry up with the fish. Okay, so that's the charcoal on fire, and then this one is the aluminum, the old aluminum basin. So this is already damaged, and then there's a little something like hole on the bottom. So my father used this for a pogon. So that's a fire made of charcoal. So you can also use the wood charcoal. So the fish is just like that. So as you can see, there's the sack and then the wall over here. So they didn't put whole sack over there because it's already covered up with the cement. So also here the sack. So my father used the nail, so he nailed over here. So as you can see, the fish is there. So this is the whole fish, and then it's heat. The heat, I feel the heat over here. So yun lang. So meron siyang let's see what is the so ito siya so yan guys yung fish. So this is the bamboo. So this is the net. So they cover up also like that, and then that's a fish. So this is the sardines fish. So guys, diba? Yan lang siya. Sardines fish. So it is a whole fish. Sa bala. So use this to cover So yun lang guys. So it's gonna be look like a cabbage. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. This is Diana RC. Have a good day.